Okay guys, so today after you've done all the practice assignments I've asked you to complete, we are going to do what's called a dimensional analysis question trail. So if you look around the room, there are 15 different questions posted. Okay, these are all different types of dimensional analysis questions, and what you're looking at here on the screen is your answer sheet. Ms. Luton has it for you. And I just want to do a quick review of how you're going to go about this activity. And there are instructions, as you can see, on this sheet, so you do have some guidance. So again, if I'm going to read this to you, it says you're going to begin your blazing trail at any question. Now, I need you to understand that you are not all going to start on question number 1. There is no reason to be waiting forever in line. So pick a question and you're going to start there, okay? The questions are... they do have different answer options. So if you see this question here, this question has four different answer options, and depending on your option, it tells you which number to go to next. Okay, so you're gonna wanna make sure that you follow that, as that's gonna help you progress through your trail. When whatever number you start at, you're going to put here. So let's say if I started at number 2, I would put that there. And then let's say my answer was E. I would put that there. Now, please understand, E is not an answer option, so you should never have E. And then let's say if E told me to go to question number 20, I would go to 20 next. And then you continue on. Now, I need you to understand, guys, if you make a mistake, okay, you need to backtrack to the question you first missed, okay? And that's stated here. If you make a mistake, it's best to backtrack and correct your mistakes. But if you're too far off the trail, just ask for help. Please do not restart. What you may do, let's say if I messed up here, I may mess up here, and let's say, okay, now I'm starting. So this box here should technically go here. This is my mistake. Okay, totally okay. You can write it in the margin. Okay, I messed up here. Question 16 should be F, and then keep going. Depending on when you catch your mistake, will determine that, how you can fix it. Please realize that right here you have your conversion factors, so I don't expect you to know these off the top of your head, but I do expect you to be able to use these. A couple of the questions I felt like might need a little bit of guidance, so I gave you that. Otherwise, remember, you're going to make your T-chart. You're going to write what you know at the top, and you want your units to cancel out. Okay, so again, just another way to practice it, because it's really important we master this skill, but also a way for us to get out of our seats and move around a little bit. You will need a calculator. My calculators are on the desk if you need it. Remember, with my calculator, it's going to give you a fraction. You hit that little S arrow D button above the delete button, and it takes it out of a fraction and puts it in a decimal. Okay, when you get done with this, you are going to leave this with Miss Wooten, as I do want to collect it. Okay, if you have any questions, please, you're welcome to shoot me an email. This should not be that bad, and have fun. Hopefully it gets you out of your seat a little bit, and gives us some really valuable practice. Thank you, guys.